Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and in this video we're gonna see our first mission, which is mission basic 1 in the Hackthissite. So if you haven't watched the previous video of the Hackthissite, please do watch that in the I button. So let's get started. You just click on the basic 1 and right here. Okay, the first mission is easy one. Okay, let's start with admin. Let's check. Okay, the password is incorrect. What else we can do is we can go to the view page source and we can search for the password tag. Just type PISS password and let's see. Okay, let's go down. Okay, this the the password card is on the command line. Okay, we got the password. Let's check. Okay, we paste here and save. Okay, our first mission is successfully done. So as you can see that in previous video our password was on the command line. So we're gonna do our next basic mission in our next video. So till then, keep supporting and keep loving. Peace.